Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to Coinbase. First, you'll need to link a payment method to your account. This typically involves connecting a bank account or a debit card. Make sure your chosen method is verified, as this is crucial for secure transactions. Once linked, you can easily initiate a deposit. This process ensures your funds are safely transferred, allowing you to start trading cryptocurrencies quickly and efficiently on the platform. Coinbase offers several ways to add funds, each with its own benefits. Bank transfers, or ETH, are great for larger amounts, though they can take 3 to 5 business days to clear. If you need instant access, a debit card deposit is faster, usually processing immediately, but often comes with lower transaction limits. For very large sums and quicker processing than ACH, a wire transfer is another excellent option to consider. Before making a deposit, it's important to understand the limits and potential fees. Your daily and weekly deposit limits depend on your account's verification level, so check these in your settings. Always review the transaction fees displayed before you confirm any deposit, as these can vary by method. Finally, double-check that you are depositing the correct currency to avoid any conversion issues or delays. Once you've chosen your method and reviewed the details, confirm your deposit and initiate the transfer. You can then monitor your Coinbase account to see when the funds arrive, which will depend on your chosen method. It's a straightforward process to get your money into Coinbase, enabling you to begin your crypto journey. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.